What was wrong with it?
I had to malatize it.
In English?
I hit it with something hard.
Nice.
I'm ready for first make duties.
What's up, tubes? Another busy week. We are already loaded up, heading down to Windy Bay. Thanks to the first mate down there.
Hey!
She got the boat loaded all up. Today she had the day off. We've already set sail. Canvas is staying up this weekend. I think we're supposed to get a little bit of rain, maybe a thunder shower or two. We'll see. We finally made it down into the Windy Bay. What's Lars doing? Lars beat us down here. He's way up there. They had dinner down Rockford Bay tonight. And we burned some fuel. What's that? Oh, I would say a third of a quarter. I'll let you do the math on that one. Yeah, we started at right just a tiny tit hair over half, and now we're a couple tit hairs under half on a 200-gallon tank each side, so 400 gallons this bad boy holds. I'll let you do the math on that one. But a beautiful night. We made it. Beverage, shoes. Sorry, camping guys. Mosquito. Oh, gotcha. I'm just moving them
No,
up.
they're gonna get really wet. I would just say, just leave them up on that. Just leave them on the seat.
Welcome to Windy Bay. The docks tie up too. Looks like they haven't mowed in a hot minute or at all yet this year. So on the map, we started up here. This little bay right there is where we moor. And we are down here, right there. So from here to there.
Where should we
10 people per site. What? Put it at the beginning of the dock so people get a nice little enjoyment of the wind in Windy Bay. Sure. Works for me. And you can pop a tent here anywhere. Get little fire rings. You got to pay, what was it, 10 bucks a night?
Correct.
Yeah, 10 bucks a night.
And we're doing boat camping.
Boat camping.
Plus $20
And we have another boat, maybe one, maybe two boats coming tomorrow. One for sure, we think. In the summer, when it gets really hot, you can hear the bees, the buzzards up in the trees. Bees and the buzzards. Usually the docks are filled with goose poop. First time with the boat down here. Didn't do too bad. Sucked some fuel. Funny, those are actually, we have one other boat down here. They are our boat kind of neighbors. They're about 3-4 subs over. This door shut so the skeeters don't get in.
Smells bad.
Yeah,
That's your ass that smells bad.
that's what I said. I farted. It smells bad.
Lila, Lila, stay.
Ours is a big bowl of fire soup.
What's that?
It's your big pot of fire soup. Soup fire.
It's a big fucking shit stirring spoon. That's what this is.
Good morning. Oh. That turd's not ours. Oh my lord. We got in late last night. Took a deep again. Man, my feet are getting wet because the grass is too damn long. She's like, I'm like, where the hell are you going? And I was convinced last night we had a little bit of erosion. May have been drinking. It was dark. But yeah, we definitely lost some land. Yeah. Remember I said the bees would be humming? The bees are humming. They're up in the trees there, working away. And so are the mosquitoes on my body. Dogs are up. Breakfast time. The black stove.
I got them. Costco. Yeah, we're excited.
How many came in a pack?
In the case.
Case.
8.
8. 8 Idaho Spuds.
And this is serve 7.
Ooh, serve 7.
I went to Costco.
I'm 6 people. You're 1. Ours bust now paddleboards. He looks super enthused. Breaking a sweat. Wild beast in his habitat. Oh, paddleboard number 2. Paddleboarding looks like a lot of work.
I bought this one.
Why poop on the boat? We can get a vault toilet over there. Nothing like a good poop sesh on the lake. Oh, here comes Lars back from paddleboarding. How was the paddleboard session?
Caught 2 fish.
Did you?
Yep.
Keep them?
No, I could have kept the 1 perch. One was a nice perch, one was a very small perch.
Ah.
Huh?
Is it wobbly?
A little bit. Not as stable as my big one was, but I don't think anything's as stable as that monster was.
Do you have OJ or?
That's the $120 sweatshirt.
But it probably would have the OJ.
Yeah. No lie. $120 for that sweatshirt. So look at the back.
Okay. Well, what? Because I just have grapefruit as usual.
Just punishing her for jumping in.
Or she's just punishing me for jumping in. You go where I can't. Why do you do that? Hey Vex, what is that magazine?
Pacific Yachting. I just bought it.
But yeah, I want to look at it.
Well,
I want a yacht too.
you can't own a yacht and not have a yachting magazine, Lars.
That's true. You have to have a yachting magazine.
You're fine.
I mean, shit. Grady White, 330 Express, 2011. 309 grand.
But they haul ass. That one video of when I was down in Florida and did that when we were doing.
Yeah, you were in a Grady, weren't you?
Yeah.
30-foot Grady or
Triple,
something?
yeah.
But then it trips on you.
Triple, and then the pontoon was keeping up with us at like 60 miles an hour.
Here's another 30-foot Grady.
Those are nice boats.
2008. It's still 230. Even like a 1980 Grady is still like 60 G's. Yeah, maybe I should just be looking for an old boat instead of a newer
I
boat.
got one for you. 1986.
Yeah, I got an old boat that's almost identical.
Ours has to fix something.
Of course, right when you're comfortable.
I just need you to hold that pliers right there.
Hold the pliers right where?
You'll see it.
Want to come down below?
Right here.
Oh. What's that plug for?
That's the. That is the a table thing that's loose. I might take it out and then reseal it. I'm not sure yet. Do you have any sealant up with you or not?
I got 4,200, I think.
Trying to see. Nobody else does. Anyway, I'll see the other one. Oh,
Hold on. Okay.
we're gonna take it out, all right?
Okay. Okay. You're off.
All right.
That's a good little fastener.
All right, go find your sealant.
Okay.
And slather.
Well, let me grab it first. I may have to cut the tip off of it. Just a little bit. You got a little knife?
Yep. Okay. Are you ready for some tightening?
Yeah, I have been. Yep. Go for it.
Okay. We're done.
Try to do it free without me touching it. Good?
Tight. Tight.
Tight.
Paper towel.
The Marine Adhesive Sealant Fast Cure 4200. Fast Cure. Lunch. Lars, what?
That's a big.
Yeah.
That's a tall boy.
That's the banquet beer.
Yeah.
150 years strong. With the banquet. That's a long banquet.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, I brought you some.
Oh, the healer?
Nope. Where? See that bunch.
Lars, what's going on here? It's not working out here. Maybe it's too much wind. There's no wind here. It's not working. I don't know what the fuck. You got a good seal? Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's upset.
Oh.
Yeah, that sucks.
What'd you pay for it? $17?
Guess what, Lars?
Oh, so that thing's over a
And guess
half
what?
a,
Ate him back then?
almost 2 decades old.
And guess what? We have my backup that you
See?
hate.
I'm
That
gonna
is
back up on this.
working.
Mel's making this happen.
That is working right now.
Okay, Lars is pissed because it smells heavily of butane down here. It's fixed. Well, we'll see. That's the aircraft mechanic in Lars. He just can't let something go. Oh, you got flame. What was wrong with it? I had to malatize it. In English, I hit it with something hard. Nice.
It's actually not that warm. Perfect.
Mel, I think you might be getting evicted from your cooker.
This is working
working.
just
It's actually
fine.
blowing. All right,
It's actually quite beautiful.
This is how COVID started.
To April.
No, that started with some chang chang. Move to the next step. Dude, I can pound a jar of pickles. I'm finding out.
Did you
In a
know that
day.
they were in there? If you knew that they were
No,
in
I
there.
didn't.
See, that's why I didn't plan.
Yeah.
So now after
For
we
lunch,
cure,
I
we
came
go-
home one day and I pounded off the rest of that fucking jar of pickles.
Okay, you have a problem.
I do. I have a pickle problem. Oh my god, lunch never smells so good. I wish the smells would protrude through the camera. It smells so good. So good.
Oh, that's a bummer, dude. You're really
Done.
Bex, you wanna?
The raindrops coming.
Maxi D. That's a.
And Schlinks is coming across the lake.
It will melt your glasses.
Don't get it in your eyes or anything for sure.
Sorry, it's a little blurry.
I don't need the heavy stuff's gonna come down for a while.
Hello. Sure that just in time for rain.
You brought it.
You guys brought rain?
Lila.
It's rained here a couple times this morning and then it was done. Lila, stop it.
Camp set up. You missed a little bit. We had a little rain shower. Now we're all set up. Schlinks,
Oh,
the tent, Bart.
Bart, you can't tell anybody. It's a secret.
All right. So I apologize if I don't show any more video for tonight because we're all a little tuned up. We have a big crew now. We do have a storm rolling in. If it gets interesting, we'll fire up the camera back up, but we have to put down the hatches again. So, see how this goes. All right. This time we got wind. We had a good little rain spout earlier, but no wind. But they are calling for thunderstorms. Oh, oops, sorry, I dropped it. Still recording. But I think we're gonna get a little bit of some actually active weather this time. Right there, and right there. So two leaks. Sorry, get the hiccups. Like I said, we're a little tuned up. A little wind's picking up. We're gonna shut her down here. Stuff will be good. There's Dolly. She loves to swim. Hi, Dolly. Burritos in the lake.
Hey, they are floating.
They might end up at the back of the
y'all-
boat eventually.
I would say if y'all taught Dolly to fetch, but she's gonna sit there and eat them all.
The only thing he's going after don't the fucking race.
There's a net on my boat. Chris, get the net. It's on the port side.
Oh, Dolly's going for him. Uh-oh. She's like, there's
She's
food.
like, oh yeah.
Oh, oh, it's dinner on the boat. While I'm swimming.
Push the Mark's like, oh my.
Oh!
Are you shit?
Gee, what?
Dolly, bring him here. Bring him here, Dolly.
Oh. A Dorito retrieving. And not even an ounce of water in the bag.
No, Dolly, right here. Right here.
Yeah, she's like, fuck you. She's like, you don't know what I just went through to get these. I'm eating all of them.
These are mine. These are mine.
Your dog is fucking evil.
Come here.
Drop it.
Good
Drop
girl.
it. Dolly. Drop it.
These are mine.
She's like, fuck you. I'm gonna dump them out before anybody.
Dolly, come here. Come on, Dolly. Come on. Come here. Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, and she-
Are you so proud? Are you so proud? Come here.
It's gotta be saturated.
no, they're not. She didn't get any water in them.
Dolly, come here. Look at the way she's holding him. Dolly, come here.
Hey, Dolly. Come.
The dog won't give
Leave it.
shit up. Hey, Dolly.
Oh, the humans win again.
Dad.
Oh my god.
That was fucking
Yeah, I mean, they only lost like a handful of Doritos.
nice. Nice.
He's like, I
She
did
gets one.
get those.
She gets one.
I did get those. At least I can get those.
Yeah, chicken on the Blackstone. We have corn on the grill on a beautiful sunset evening after a day of storms. Good morning. We're back. Just finished with the morning weight loss program. Beautiful morning. Rained all night last night. We might get a little break in the rain today, maybe. We're gonna head back and I will head back in a couple hours, maybe an hour or so. Head over to Rockford Bay, put some fuel in the boat, put something on the lens, and then make our way back to town because I have to work tomorrow. There is no holiday in the boating industry. The rain let up this morning. Yeah, we might see some blue sky. We'll see. We're heading over to get some fuel now. Yeah, Rockford Bay. Early in the morning, fuel up, get some breakfast. Yep, Kismet stuff.
If I give you a cookie, are you gonna be nice?
Oh, you're sweet. Thank you. Oh, yay.
Sweet as a pie. Yeah. Yes, you are.
Yeah, go one more.
Big boat.
Trust me, it hurts me more than it does you. Stop it.
Stop.
$6.50 a gallon, $200. Let's see what it gives us.
You ready for me, babe?
In a minute. So it gave us, right now it brought us up to half a tank. So after doing the math, it was $200, about $6.50 a gallon. I think that got me about 31 gallons. And we pretty much just replaced what we burned this weekend. Which is fun. Yeah, it's fun. So that's why we're gonna pull it out this week and we'll fill it up on land for half the price. Cheap ain't fun and fun ain't cheap.
Okay.
Yep.
All I have are gator legs. Oh, nice.
I think there's a blue Zoll or something. It's only appropriate to listen to Yacht Rock Radio on the yacht.
I didn't know there was a
There was.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down.
The plane. Alright, we made it back. Our new neighbors here. Saw our neighbors from the Windy Bay Park. Oh, let's see. Let's shut her down. Is the fridge empty or still full?
Is there a plug-in in there in that box in there?
No. What do you want to plug in? Oh, you can plug in right there.
Oh.
I had it plugged in, but there's no stand.
Yes. More, please.
Well, we just had an interesting one. So I had the drone up and just doing some boat aerial photography. And then I tried to bring it back into the boat, and low battery return to home kicked on because battery was getting low, and the thing just took off back to its home base. So we had to flip the boat around. I thought I was gonna lose it in the lake, but we got it.
Yeah, that was intense.
And I had to grab it over there and cut my hand.
You got it with blade.
Oh yeah. So these blades do cut. They break skin.
Yeah, don't do this at home.
The dog are back. We said too much shit.
Yeah.
Oh, you're making 2 trips.
Yeah, he's staying for the week.
And you did get Bart to come. Yeah. That's hilarious.
It's not very far.
No.
We thought about clown carring it, just piling it all in here, but I was like, might as well just do two trips. I also didn't know if we wanted more firewood or
Yeah, Lars, talk to Schlinks about that, because
Firewood, good. More firewood.
more firewood.
Yeah.
Then we can certainly bring some more.
Wow.
Oh, I should probably leave this in here in
yeah, that's
case
probably
we get hassled.
the one thing you need on
You guys
that.
didn't move it in, huh?
We are one life jacket short.